Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this Believe Beauty Mascara. I have not tried out any Believe Beauty mascaras, but I picked up a few not too long ago and I'm so excited to try this out. So Believe Beauty is the Dollar General exclusive makeup brand, and I have been really enjoying the products that I've tried out so far. And I picked this up in my recent huge Dollar General haul. So if you have not seen that haul video, I'll have that linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the makeup products I picked up and all of the amazing makeup products that you can get at Dollar General. I was so excited to see so many amazing options. But so this here is the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes Mascara. And I accidentally picked this up in the shade brown, but it'll be different for me. I don't know if I've ever tried out a brown mascara. I was looking this up online and it actually comes in brown, black, and intense black. So I had like a 1 out of 3 chance of picking up brown. So like the odds were in my favor that I would have just chosen a black one, and I was picking up so many products I wasn't even paying attention and I just happened to get brown. So hopefully I like it. This mascara sounds awesome. It says 3 mascaras in 1. 1 coat for defined volume, 2 coats for volume and curl, 3 coats for extreme thickness. Bigger, bolder, your lashes amplified. So I hope it does all of that. Says they're supposed to become full, defined, lengthened, and non-smudging. I love the packaging on this. Ooh, and this only cost $4.50. All right, so let's check out the applicator. Oh yes, this is what I like. It's the plastic spiky applicator and it kind of has an hourglass shape. Ooh, this looks promising. Here's what that applicator looks like. I tend to prefer the plastic spiky applicator rather than the brush-like applicators. And so it sounds like I'm going to want to apply the 3 coats to build this up to as much as possible. But let's go ahead and start with that first coat on one of the eyes. Ooh, luckily it's a dark brown color. Wow, so dark I almost would have forgotten that I got a brown mascara and I would have just thought it was a regular black mascara. But I am liking this applicator. It does seem to coat every lash, but already the lashes are kind of sticking together, so we'll have to see if that ends up happening a lot, because I definitely prefer the more fanned out, separated lash look. But seems to be lengthening. I mean, that first coat is really nice. While I wait for that first coat to dry down a little bit, let's see how this is on the lower lashes. Really nice. The applicator is not too messy, and I like a brown color on the lower lashes. Works pretty nicely for a bottom lash mascara. Let's see what the second coat can do for my top lashes. They are looking even darker, truly looking like a black color. So I really do like this shade of brown, a nice dark brown that still really emphasizes the eyes. And it builds up nicely. There's no clumping. The lashes are actually looking nicely separated still, not clumping and sticking together as much as I was expecting based off of that first coat. And that's probably because it's a really good wand that's combing through and separating the lashes. But they're building up to really nice volume. But what's really standing out to me the most is how lengthening it is. It looks so good all the way to the tips of the lashes, so very lengthening. I love that. And it's supposed to be curling, and I have pretty straight lashes, but this does seem to give a little bit more curl. Wow, I actually really like how this looks, and this is only with that technically like second coat, and this is better than what a lot of mascaras can get to after layering a lot. So I would even be fine stopping after 2 coats, which I love when I don't have to spend forever sitting there layering and layering a mascara. But for the fun of it, let's see what 3 coats does. Wow, this builds up so nicely. More volume, even darker. It's giving a falsies effect because the lashes are actually looking very full and fanned out with still no clumping. Great length. And a little bit of lift and curl. So this is doing everything it claimed, everything I love in a mascara. Oh my gosh, I think this looks so good. I'm even gonna try layering it up a little bit on those bottom lashes. Ooh, yeah, 2 coats on those bottom lashes I think is perfect. And this wand is amazing. It did not get any mascara on my eyelid or my under eye, and that is very rare for me. So let me do a zoomed in view so that you can see the difference. It's so incredible. I am so happy with this. I love the color. I love the effect that it has on my lashes. Let's go ahead and apply it to my other eye and get my final thoughts. I have become so picky with mascaras too. Picky about the wand, the way the lashes stick together or not. And this mascara that's less than $5 does everything I look for in a mascara. And I'm actually really glad that I got the brown shade, but it does not look brown. It looks black to me. And it really does not take long to build the lashes up to the most extreme volume. Wow. So here is my finished mascara look, and it looks amazing. It completely changed how my eyes were looking because it's that intense, that bold, that impactful. It completes the eye look even without other eyeshadow, eyeliner, anything like that. It's so impressive how many lashes it looks like I have right now. Like, it looks like I'm wearing false lashes because they're so volumized, so lengthened, so full, and that's what I want my mascara to do. So I love this. Just another Believe Beauty product that I absolutely love. I love when you don't have to spend a lot of money to get that ideal look from the makeup product. So I highly recommend this. Makes me even more excited to try out more Believe Beauty mascaras now that I know that they make incredible formulas. So if you've tried out this Believe Beauty mascara or any of the other versions, let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.